Okay, when was the last time you did something in a hurry?
Last time I did something in a hurry about 2 years ago. I remember my exam were going on. I slept late at night, so I prepared my exam. I get up. I got up.
I got up.
I got up late in the morning, so that's why I forgot my roll number slip at my home.
But the question is, when was the last time you did something in a hurry? Last time I rushed to my examination room in a hurry. Answer the question, right?
Okay.
Now, you can elaborate. What happened last year? I had my exams and I overslept actually, and then I had to rush to the examination hall. While doing that, I had forgotten my roll number slip as well. So, to answer your question, I rushed to my examination hall last year.
Okay, sir.
Right? Rushed. In a hurry means you rush to something. They say he rushed to the doctor. He rushed to the doctor means he went to the doctor in a hurry. It's
Okay,
that. Do you like to finish things quickly?
Uh, if something is not interesting for me, I would like to finish it quickly. But if I am enjoying what I am doing, then I take my time.
All right. What kind of things would you never do in a hurry?
Usually there are many things which I do not do in a hurry, but most important, I would never do drive in a hurry or cross a road, because if I do like this, it might maybe cause a serious road accident.
Okay. Why do people make mistakes more easily when they are in a hurry?
It is easy to make mistakes in a hurry because mind is preoccupied, so it is easy to forget about certain things. So that's why people makes mistakes in a
People
hurry.
make mistakes.
People make mistakes in a hurry.
All right. It's good. Just try to add some more and focus your grammar as well.
Okay,
Otherwise,
sir.
your answers are good. Right?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.